Hi, I'm Pete with FoamFit Tools, and today I have several new organizers that we've created for Tekton hammers, punches, chisels, and pry bars. The first organizer I'm showing is a pretty large one, and I've got some smaller ones to show you next, but one thing I warn you with this one is that not only is it wide, it's pretty deep, and we designed these to be trimmable so that it's got some margin that can be cut off to fit different drawer size. But you definitely want to check because not every toolbox is going to be deep enough to accommodate this one. One of the things that I really liked when we started working on this project is every tool that we're showing here says made in the USA. So Tekton doesn't make everything in the US. A lot of their tools are Taiwan, but they're trying to be a higher quality. I guess we'd consider it an entry-level industrial tool brand. So they're a little higher quality, and they've been bringing a lot of manufacturing into the US. So when I've talked to them, they always are talking about the new things that they're bringing in to their production facility in Michigan. So that we think is good. So what we've got here are their ball peen hammers, and these are shot filled. So they've got a 4-piece set. So this is a 47 ounce, 36, and this one's 26 ounce. Now they've also got this 50 ounce, which is very similar, to the head weight of the 47 ounce. It's just got a much longer handle on it. And then we've also got their 3-piece dead blow set. So this is a 39 ounce dead blow, 21, and then the little guy is a 13 ounce dead blow. So they're all shot filled heads. And made in the US, Tekton hammers. The next thing I wanted to show you are the punch and chisel set. So what we've done for this particular layout is we've taken their 20-piece and we've added 2 more punches to it. So this is one of the ones we've added. It's an alignment punch, but it's got real clear laser markings on it. The other thing about this is it's a dry finish that they're using. So, if you're used to punches that are black oxide coated, the black oxide gets its rust resistance from the oil that they apply. It kind of soaks into the black oxide. So these are some sort of a dry finish, similar to black oxide, but a little cleaner on the hands. Okay, so we got the alignment punch. The other one that we've added is a larger center punch, right? So this set has the alignment punch. It's got 3 center punches. These are starter punches, right? So a starter or a solid punch. And then a full range of pin punches. So pin punch, this one's 3/8, and then got sizes down to 1/16. So each tool has got a spot where it fits. So it's air proofed. It's red underneath, so when the tool's missing, it's easy to tell that, hey, there's something that's not where it belongs. And cut specifically to fit these tools. Now the chisels, we've got a great big 1-inch cold chisel down to a little 1/4 inch. And then the last thing to show you here is their pry bars. So screwdriver handle styled pry bar. We've got, I think it's a 12-inch, 17-inch, and the big guy here, I believe is a 24. The next 2 organizers are hammers and punches. So this one is the same 7 hammers. So we got 4 ball peen hammers and the 3 dead blow hammers. The smaller organizer is the 20-piece punch and chisel set. So the chisels are on the top, then starter punches. The 16th starter punch is tucked in here. Pin punches across the bottom from 3/8 to 1/16. And then it's got the 2 center punches. So if you don't want pry bars, or you have larger pry bars hanging in a rack possibly, this is a good solution. It uses a medium-sized drawer for the hammers and a small drawer for the punches. This is another option for punches, and we've added 7 Tekton pry bars. The new ones are the mini pry bars, also made in the US. They have 2 different bend angles and 2 different shaft sizes on these. So we got the 4 mini pry bars, the same 3 larger pry bars, so the 12-inch, 17-inch, and the 25-inch, and then the 20-piece punch and chisel set again. So chisels, starter punches, and then pin punches up the side. And the last 2 are the center punches. The final option I have is 1 drawer with hammers and punches, sized to fit a medium drawer with a margin that can be trimmed to accommodate a few different drawer sizes. So this is the 4-piece Tekton ball peen hammer set and the 20-piece punch and chisel set. So we got one big chisel in the back. The rest of the chisels are over here. Center punches are tucked in between the hammers. Starter punches, and then pin punches. Last thing I wanted to point out is that on all of these designs, we've tried real hard to have a big finger pocket. And part of the reason is you may be wearing mechanics gloves, you may be working in cold weather, and so we try to make it so that the foam doesn't slow you down. So the goal is always to have a spot for every tool so that it's easy to put them away, even if you're not the person who got them out. But we don't want the foam to slow you down. So we give it a big finger pocket. They try and put the finger pockets at the balance point of the hammer so that it's easy to get in and out of the foam. So thanks for checking it out. You can find more designs on our website. To see these, just go to foamfittools.com, click on tool organizers, and then just click on hammers and the Tekton brand, and you'll see the ones that we've got available. Let us know if you have any questions, and contact customer service if you want to, if you need help finding a design that'll work for a different drawer size. Thanks.